With a Graalphone, and who are you?
I am actually the VP of Sales and Marketing of Graalphone, and I'm going to show you today the only 4-in-1 device on the planet. This first level of device is going to be your Windows 10 PC with a genuine keyboard that you can use with any mouse on Bluetooth.
Is this a mock-up or it works?
It mock-up. We'll show the actual product at Eureka Park. This is going to be your tablet. It's a 7-inch tablet. Then what you have here is actually the phone built in, actually, the Graalphone itself.
What is the Eureka Park?
Eureka Park is actually Sans Old G.
Ah, you will show the real one?
Yes, we'll show the real one. Yeah, Old G.
Both parts are working?
Yes, both parts are working. And what happens is when I get the phone back inside the slot here, I can make this thing a 3D camera. So basically what you see here...
Project Angle?
Yeah, so basically what you see here, the 3D camera with a 5x zoom.
Wow, you have a zoom camera in there.
We have a zoom camera in there, which is actually stereoscopic because you have two lenses. You have the lens from the phone and you have the lens from the camera itself. And it takes 3D stereoscopic, basically pictures, like the Nintendo 3DS.
So what's the software?
There's two software embedded inside.
It's both Android
You have Android and PC. Yes, if you look at it here, there's a Windows 10 PC actually integrated in it.
What's the CPU?
You've got two CPUs. You've got your normal c'est quoi le CPU? C'est
MediaTek?
le CPU. No. Atom. There's an Atom for the PC and a quad-core Snapdragon.
Snapdragon
And a quad-core and an Atom, yeah.
All right, and do they have separate PCB for both functions, right?
Yes.
One is running on the phone, the other one is running there.
That's correct.
So what's going to be the price?
Between $700 and $800.
So it's the same price as a phone?
Exactly.
But how soon is it mass production?
In about 8 to 10 months.
Right. So what's the background of your company? Have you been doing stuff like this before?
This inventor here actually has about 125 patents. When he was asked by another company to actually show a mock-up of a product that could do 4-in-1, he just decided to go down there and just down the road and went to China and did it.
And what's the resolution of the screen?
Resolution of the screen is what? La résolution, l'écran.
Full HD.
Full HD.